Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in time and distance. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. Friends, say the speed of the bus 100 km/h. Friends, here train is 50% faster. That means the speed of the train is 150 km/h. Friends, now the speeds ratio is 53s, 52s, 3:2. Friends, speeds ratio 3:2 implies times ratio is 2:3. That means 2x minutes, 3x minutes. That means if train takes 2x minutes, bus takes 3x minutes. Friends, if the train had no stoppings, it would have reached Panipat. 12.5 minutes earlier than the bus. That means the difference between the time taken by bus and the time taken by train is 12.5 minutes. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 12.5. 3x minus 2x means x. X is equal to 25 by 2. X is equal to 25 by 2 minutes. Friends, the time taken by bus is equal to 3x. That is 3 into 25 by 2. That is equal to 75 by 2. 75 by 2 minutes, friends. 75 by 2 minutes. I am converting into hours. So 75 by 120 hours. 75 by 120 hours. Friends, now we want the speed of the bus. Speed of the bus means here, friends, distance 75 kilometers. Distance 75 kilometers. And the time taken by the bus is 75 by 120. 75 by 120 means 75 into 120. So 75 gets cancelled. So speed of the bus is 120 km/h, friends. Thank you.